My name is Ollie Glatzer, and I am a Bay Area visual artist. I am also a musician. My full-time work is in the game industry as a producer for an audio production house. This is a part-time work, plenty passion, but very much a part-time job. I feel like the work that I do in these sort of forms and abstraction does feel melodic to me. It feels melodic in the way that I sort of produce it on the spot, because most of what I do is improvised. So in that sense, it's a musical quality to it. I think the way that I try to fit structures together and work with colors in relation to those structures, there is something melodic about that. And I think unraveling that more as I go, as I sort of uncover patterns and sort of see themes that keep showing up. Don't know why pastels keep showing up, but I fully embrace pastels. But I like the pastels because they're kind of difficult to work with. I also like the challenge of taking more dynamic colors and then working them into pastels as a way to see if I can make them work together in a harmonious way. Pastels seem to come to me more than other colors. Don't put that in. Actually, I'm not afraid of pastels. I love them.